Hello and welcome back to Scorpion Red Power, and today you join me with this, a 2016 BMW 340i M Sport. Today we're running our brand new 80mm non-resonated catback exhaust system. As you can see here, we're showing our 90mm carbon Ascari tailpipe trims. For those not wanting to upgrade to a full catback system, we're offering a resonated elite section. The more power-hungry of you will be pleased to know that we have 4-inch downpipe available in either Sports Cat or D Cat. So let's take it out for a spin.